Do you review and highlight text in multiple documents at the same time? Then why not avoid extensive mouse and keyboard action, and the time-consuming task of copying and pasting between several documents to collect your highlighted text? Here are just a sample of the ways in which VoxAid enables you to collect your highlighted text from open Word documents by voice. Wake up. Collect the yellow highlights. Close without saving. Collect the teal highlights by source. Close without saving. Collect the red and pink highlights. Close document without saving. Collect the pink and red highlights. Close without saving. Collect the red, green and teal highlights by source. Close without saving. Collect all the highlights by source. Close without saving. Go to sleep. With VoxAid, reduce extensive mouse and keyboard action, and save valuable time.